What is brake slamming or brake checking in Maryland, and who is at fault for a motor vehicle accident involving brake checking or brake slamming? Brake checking or brake slamming, usually involved in road rage, is when a motorist who's operating a car directly in front of somebody else negligently slams on their brake for no reason, causing a rear-end accident. Now, in Maryland and in all of the other states involving rear-end accidents, the person in the back is usually presumed at fault. That person has to look out and give a safe distance between their car and the car directly in front of them. However, when the person in front of them engages in brake slamming or brake checking, that person could probably be deemed primarily at fault. The injured victim, if they ended up rear-ending the person who did the brake slamming, needs to immediately get a personal injury lawyer to represent them and uncover the facts, speak to eyewitnesses, speak to the officer, get video surveillance if they can in order to prove their case. If you have any questions regarding how an injured victim can bring a serious injury motor vehicle accident case in the state of Maryland, feel free to call me. I do this every single day and would love to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.
667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law.